tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know what it is. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a video and you become a part of the Forever Doll family. Go ahead and turn on your bell notifications so that you never miss a video again. And go ahead and share the video, you guys. Comment what you want me to record next, you guys. And that's pretty much all I have to say. We're going to go ahead and get on into the video. You guys, I love you. Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So by the title, you guys can already tell that we're going to be doing a highlighting and contouring routine. I've already started on my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and jump into my base. I'm going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation to give me an even skin tone. I'm also going to be going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to just help blend out the foundation. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with my ColourPop concealers. I'm going to be going in with a light shade and a darker shade. This is just going to basically highlight the points on my face that I want to pop out and take away the points on my face that I don't really want too much attention on. So I'm highlighting underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and of course my chin. I'm contouring underneath my eyes, my jawline, and a little bit on my forehead. I don't cream contour my nose because it just does not work out for me. It comes out too harsh, so I typically don't. So the next thing I'm going to do is go into the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm going to be using the ball part of the Beauty Blender just so that I can blend out my contour. Different parts of the Beauty Blender are for different parts of the face, y'all. We will get into that on another tutorial. So now I'm going in with my Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just putting this on the highlighted areas on my face, which I put the lighter concealer on. I'm going to go into my crayon case, Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm going to be mixing the cocoa and the lighter brown to give me a perfect contour. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation powder, and I'm going to be using this to kind of blend everything and just make everything go coherent together and just, you know, look like it's supposed to go. Like that. Now I'm going into my Tarteist Pro Glow and blush palette. And I'm going to be using the darkest blush in the palette for my cheekbones. And I really don't put a lot because I don't smile and people don't make me blush. So, you know, we want to keep it real natural. I just want to know what I was listening to because, girl, it was good. So the next thing I'm going to do is jump right on into my lip combination. The lip liner was a Nobody. It's just a brown beauty supply store lip liner. The NYX Butter Gloss is the Fortune Cookie today. It's not the Madeline. It's Fortune Cookie today. I'm going to go ahead and lock everything in by just spraying my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray all over. It's okay if you use the whole can. It's totally fine. Your makeup ain't going nowhere, pretty much. Anyways, you guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. If you guys like the look, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below. If you guys have any videos that you would want to see, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in another video. I love you guys so much, and goodbye.